Before we start with example 1, let's take a look at the top. It says, in addition to investments, populations of people, animals, bacteria, and amounts of radioactive material can also change at an exponential rate. Exponential growth and decay models apply to any situation where growth is proportional to the initial size of the quantity being considered. So here's the formulas that we can use that have a general exponential growth or decay with regular or continuous. If an initial quantity n sub 0, so that's our beginning amount, like our initial investment, that's the p-value, it's in the same spot, grows or decays at an exponential rate, r, again, is a decimal, then the final amount, n, after a time t, so t is our time, is given by the following formulas. So here is your exponential growth or decay, if it's happening in a certain time period, and then here is continuous. If we take a look then at example 1 below, it says a car is purchased for $28,000. After each year, the resale value decreases by 30%. So it's not continuous, it's happening after each year. What will the resale value be after 4 years? Round your answer to the nearest cent. So if we know that something's happening each year, it's not continuous, so we'll use the very first equation, which means we're using the equation n equals n sub 0 times 1 plus r to the t. Then let's list down what we have. If a car is purchased for $28,000, that's our initial amount. That's our n sub 0. So n sub 0 is 28,000. And it's decreasing by 30%. So our rate, since it's going down, is a negative 0.3. And our time that we're looking at is 4 years. So t is equal to 4. If we plug that into our formula, we get n equals 28,000 times 1 minus 0.3 to the 4th. 1 minus 0.3 is 0.7, so if you want to simplify that before you plug it in your calculator, you can. And then just plug this all in your calculator and round to the nearest cent, and you should get $6,722.80. Go ahead and try the one below. If you take a look at the try this, I want you to recognize that it is saying that you're using a continuous exponential growth model. So you're going to be using the other one. Go ahead and try it and let me know if you have any questions. Pause it and then unpause it when you're ready to check your answer. If you did the try this correctly, you should have gotten 77.8 bacteria. If you have questions, please let me know.